Hi Wishtrenders! Welcome back to Wishtrend Fitness TV. I am Chloe Bach and I am second runner-up for Miss Korea 2018. How did your last abs home workout session go with you? If you didn't get the chance to watch our last video, please click on the episode 1 below. There were a lot of subscribers who had concerns about their sagging belly. That's because fats are being stored all over the stomach area because the abdominal muscles have weakened. When you strengthen these abs and burn the fat, you can create a fit and defined body line without sagging. So we prepared a routine to burn love handles and fat. Let's get rid of that side fat with the moves we'll learn today. Please click like for our videos and don't forget to subscribe. It's time to get up and shape up. It's one of my favorites. So what you have to do is place your 2 feet firmly on the ground, and you can either intertwine or just like nicely place your hands in the back of your head. And what you're gonna do is put your one knee close to your one elbow, like so. What's important is not to move your upper body. Keep it still. Can you feel the abdominal muscle getting tense? And not just the abdominal muscle, your whole body is being stimulated. And also, do not forget to breathe. Wait, if this is not too difficult for you, don't worry. You can either intertwine or just place it on your back of your head. And this is gonna be kind of challenging because what you're gonna do is put your knee on the other side of your elbow, like this. Keep it still and don't forget to breathe. Voila! Super fun and easy. Exhale deeply, like you're releasing all of the breath in your body. And do not forget to give your body a good shake, your arms and legs, to loosen up the muscles. Now, let's move on to the next move to keep burning the side fat. Okay, so we're gonna get down on our mat. And you can either choose to do a side plank or an elbow plank, but I'm gonna choose to do a side plank today. And if your hands hurt like mine, you can choose to fold your mat like this to give more cushion. Okay, so I'm gonna place my hand right here and straighten my legs. And then hold your other arm like this, and we're gonna try to meet this knee with this elbow. Let's go. Okay, I can already feel the ab tensing, the whole body tensing, but do not forget to breathe. Okay, on the next side, straighten the legs and let's go. It's hard, I know you guys, but your beach body is waiting for you. Let's go. All right, done. Okay, now the next move I'll show you is legendary move to burn all the side fat. Let's move on. The side crunch is one of the most popular moves for side fat exercises. You can strengthen the muscles on your upper side body to get rid of the fat and create a balanced and defined body line. Now, let's get started. So what you do is get down on the mat, bend your knees, and place the legs like a frog. And then lay down and place the arm close to your mat. But this arm, you bend it like this and place it on the back of your head. And we're gonna try to make this elbow get close to the knee. Okay, let's go. Keep on going, guys. All right, now onto the next side. It wasn't too hard, was it? Okay, so same placement. Place your arm straight, legs like frog, arm bent. Let's go. Whenever I need to wear a tight jeans or a bikini, I always do not forget to do this. Super effective and really easy to do. All right, that was not too bad, right? Okay, so if this was not too hard for you, we have a revised side crunch for you. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna get down on our mat. Have your knees bent, your feet firmly on the ground, and we're gonna go down and have your arms up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go each side. You guys ready? Let's go. It tightens your abs and it's not too hard to do. And like I said, whenever I have an important meeting or an important day, I always do this exercise to keep my waistline slim. Okay, we have a few more to go. Let's go, guys. Do not give up. You came so close. This is like the last step. All right, guys, this is it. You've done it, I've done it, we've all done it. Yay! If you're still with me, you're doing excellent, especially because working out on the mat doesn't require much prep beforehand. Sometimes I do few crunches or other moves we did today before I fall asleep. The key is consistency. Don't quit and forget about them. Try doing them continuously throughout your daily life, and you will be able to say, bye-bye fat. today we did some exercises that immediately sweat out and burn the side fat. Of course, it's good to make time for exercises, but if you can't, it's also a good idea to keep stimulating your muscles by practicing the breathing technique, or flexing ab muscles, or by twisting your wrist in daily life. Alright, a healthy diet to go along with working out can't ever be skipped. A lot of you really liked my diet plan from the previous episode. A diet plan is also part of my life because I must maintain a healthy body line, being a Miss Korea. I usually eat something that's high in protein and also yummy. Like the chicken breast steak I introduced to you, the menu I'll be sharing with you today is a tofu salad. Tofu is protein-packed and low in calories, and it's also one of my favorite and best diet food. It is a great substitute for dinner. Try making healthy workout a habit and healthy body by exercising and eating healthy with me. Starving yourself and not taking necessary nutrients can be really bad for you. So be sure to eat healthy and work out. If you had any difficulties while doing these workouts, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to help you. If you have any questions about getting specific body lines, diet tips, or any other workout methods, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Wishtrend TV to get the next episode of Wishtrend Fitness TV.